but I'm so frustrated. All I want, all I want, me and you, been so long, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, all I want, me and you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm Kanitha. This channel is about how to care for your natural hair, DIYs, especially for hair. Occasionally, you will get travel vlogs, try-on hauls, and so on. If that sounds good to you, make sure that you subscribe for more videos. And I would really appreciate if you subscribe to help me reach my goal to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you in advance, and let's get to this video. In this video, I will be showing you the different methods that I use to achieve this seamless crochet style on my mom, which looks like her own hair. I went on and braided her hair down off camera, and I decided to do this braiding pattern on her hair because she would be able to put her hair in a ponytail, down, side part, middle part, all of that. She came with this wig to help her with. I wasn't done for this wig, guys. I wasn't done for this wig, honestly. She told me in advance that probably a few weeks she was going to this boat gala, which I already knew. She was going to ask me to do her hair as always. So I just went on and ordered this hair on Amazon. She didn't know I was going to do her hair. So anyway, let me know in the comment section if I should have went with this wig instead. Let me know, because I wasn't done with it. So I used maybe 4 to 5 packs of hair, and I split most of the hair in 2, 3, 4 sections, especially for the front, back, and her side of her head. I used smaller pieces because it can look natural and blend well with her hair. As you saw, I did not braid the front of her hair all the way. One, her edges are really soft, so I did not want to put too much tension on them. And 2, I wanted the hair to blend really well to create that, illusion of it's coming out of her scalp. Now let's get to the methods that I use for this style. The first one is the braiding pattern, as you saw. Second one, the different size of the pieces of the hair around her head, like the front, the back, the side. Third, I did the knotless method, which I am showing, and I also have many videos of crochet on my channel. You can actually check this playlist for more videos. The fourth one is the under braid method, where I take one piece of the braid, the hair, crochet it under to create this illusion of her hair that is coming out of her scalp. And the last one is how I use the razor comb on the roots of the knotless braids to create to blend the hair so that to make it looks natural. It helps to hide the knot, the space in between. Yeah, let me know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. us out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
After I was done, I cut the hair to a more appropriate length and to also frame her face. I did her hair after a long day of work. So I didn't really show you guys the endless ways that she can wear this hair. Yeah. No. If you made it to this part of this video, let me know in the comment section below if I should have went with the wig or this style. Let me know, because maybe some of you like the wig, but I did not. And thank you for watching this far. Make sure that you thumbs up this video, you share this video, you leave me a comment, because I would really appreciate that when you do interact with my videos. YouTube, the algorithm actually push my videos to more viewers. So more people, the bigger the family will be. So make sure that you do so, okay? And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you like this video. And like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
My appetite. Don't leave me here.